First thing we're going to do with the bus is try to remove probably, if not all, 99% of these seats. Might keep one for now or two, but whoever designed these, I don't know how they do it, but these bolts, they have a nut on the bottom. So unless you have someone under there holding it for you, it's not possible to do by yourself. So I'm going to use a trusty grinder. I've seen a couple other people do it. We'll just grind the heads off and pull some seats out. See how far we can get. Well, a couple minutes later, we have a bunch of the seats removed. Still have, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more to go on the back. Our bus does have this heater. I thought they were electric, but turns out they have coolant lines running to them. So we might either have to incorporate them or figure out how to remove them. But we're making progress. Here's our stack of seats. They're heavy. We'll have to do a power run after we get them all out and see how fast she is. I'm leaving this one for now, in case, I don't know. And my sister-in-law made a good observation that we could probably move one of these from this side and flip it and put it on this side and space them apart. And that way you could have a little dining area. So I might have to give that a go and see how comfortable it is or how terrible it is. Because if you do that, then you could also turn it into a bed with the tabletop between the two. But we'll see. Today, we are going to finish cutting the seats out of the bus. What? I got eyes, ears, covering my face, and someone to help me. Hey. No. Where's your hearing? Go get some. No. Go get some or you're not coming on. Here we go. Yoga. 3 seats per blade, and then it starts disintegrating. So I'm gonna change it before it breaks in my face. Japan. What? Thumb. She's a bleeder.
I need a band-aid?
Careful, kids. We got all the seats out. I did kind of mock this up as like a dining area possibly. Reuse 2 of the seats, but as for now, the rest is just going to be me sweeping the bus out and trying to plan out a floor plan where we're going to put couches, beds, sinks, etc. Thanks for watching.